Instagram keeps track of your search history and you can easily access it using these steps here. So let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Once done so, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then navigate to your profile. Once inside the profile, tap on the three dashboard option available in the top right corner of your screen, then navigate to the settings and privacy. Now there, scroll down and tap on the Your Activity option available. Inside your activity, scroll down and look for the Recent Searches option available there and tap on it. Inside Recent Searches, you will see a full list of your past searches. So that is it. It is my anonymous account, so I have not searched anyone here yet. But if you have, then your past searches will be shown here on list. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.